Thank you. I was just asking if I could do that. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. First, I want to extend greetings from County Executive, the Honorable Angela Alsobrooks, to all of you. And really, this is one of the very important programs related to health that we are promoting in the county. Also happens to be February Black History Month. And the Honorable Angela also Brooks been pretty clear about her priority of ensuring that every one of our residents have optimal opportunity to be as healthy as they possibly can. And so part of our job is to create those conditions where those healthy options are the default options, those healthy options are the easier options. And this is one such program here related to heart health, where access to healthy food is very, very important. It's even important beyond the health of the heart. It helps in so many other ways. And to demonstrate her commitment to those activities, those initiatives, is why this program is here. And many thanks to our partners, Washington Gas, Giant, and Epsilon, Phi Boulay, that are joining us. Part of our responsibility, understanding the counties, government can't do this alone, and so building those bridges into the community, working with our partners are very, very important in creating a more healthful future for Prince George's County. And so, again, really excited, happy that we're doing this. I think there's a lot of products here today that's going to be given out, and I understand it's going to be extended to several other residents of the county. So this is just a sample of this initiative that we hope would not just demonstrate the commitment to ensuring that we have access to healthy food, but to educate our residents. And that's a big piece of it. I believe that the more that we engage people, the more that we let people understand the things that they can do, which are typically very little adjustment to lifestyle, the better that will be in creating those healthy conditions for our residents. So glad to be here. Thank you all for coming.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm Commissioner Sharice Shannon from the Housing Authority here in Prince George's County. I wanted to let everyone know, thank you for the blessing that you have come out with the partnership. Uh, Dealing in the community and a lot of stuff that I see, we have a lot of food insecurities, and everyone is not able to have a decent, healthy meal. So families, some families are forced to do different things, and it's a struggle. But we love with the county coming out and Giant coming out to help us with the programs and the different programs that we have coming out to us to help us, because these prices in the store are skyrocket high. And we love the partnership that you guys have come out today to help us. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Jolene Ivy. I'm the chair of the Prince George's County Council. And it's great to see you all here today, especially little baby. I want to just grab the baby. I love babies. But I am concerned about our county's health, and it's not just me. The county executive who organized this, Angela Alsobrooks, the entire Prince George's County Council, we are all concerned to make sure that our residents are as healthy as can be. We're concerned because the number one killer is heart disease. And there are so many people, like 70% in our county are obese or overweight. That's serious. But there's so much we can do to make a difference. And what's in these bags behind us is part of the key. So it's buying food from the store instead of stuff you see advertised on TV. If you see it advertised on TV, it's pretty much bad for you. I noticed that last week. My husband and I were watching TV, and all the commercials were fast food. Even the fast casual places, none of them advertised that great cup of broccoli. that's 31 calories. No, they advertise everything with all the wonderful sugary syrups on top, even if it's meat. So when you talk about what's good for us, it's what we cook ourselves. And cooking isn't hard, it really isn't. You don't have to make a gourmet meal, but if you just get some broccoli and a piece of lean meat like chicken, I like thighs better, even though they're a little higher in calories, and or some beans. Beans are fantastic. They have lots of protein, and they're low in calorie and high in fiber. So these are just easy things we can do. Also, get off the couch. I'm guilty too. I was really good before the pandemic, and I have fallen, well, completely off the horse. But I need to get back on. I need to get back on the treadmill, or at least walking more. And the more that we walk, the comparison between how many calories you burn versus, I don't know, you walk a half an hour, you're going to burn maybe 150 calories. But you eat a donut, which only takes about a minute, and that's a whole lot more than 150 calories. So we need to be aware that the cost-benefit analysis of what we eat versus how much exercise we have means that we can have a real impact on our health and the health of our families. Cooking together is something that builds closeness in your family. And it's just something, even if you're just cooking for yourself, who cares more for you than yourself? So make sure you're cooking, even if you live alone, cook for yourself. So thank you so much to Giant, to Washington Gas, and I think there's a Boulé organization that also is one of the sponsors of this. I think all this food is fantastic, and the support that's going to families is just so needed. So thank you so much for coming out today. And thank you for our sponsors.
Good morning. My name is Calvin Hawkins, and I serve as a council member at large. To all the residents present this morning, thank you for believing in us. I have the honor of working with a chair of our county council, Jolene Ivey, who has been an amazing leader, public servant, but we also have an opportunity to collaborate with a county exec who has established herself over the last 5 years as someone who gets things done. And to be here this day with our partners to support a healthy living experience and Healthy Heart Month, I'm grateful to be here because I know we have an opportunity to change what's happening in Prince George's County. Many see the challenges and say, wow. We as leaders and your public servants see the challenges and say, why not? So I want to thank all of you for being here. I want to thank the other 4 communities for believing that we care enough for you to be here today. And to the Housing Authority of Prince George's County, you are the heroes and sheroes that make all this happen. And you are not the ones in front of these cameras, but you're the ones getting the job done with those you're collaborating with. And we are so grateful to be here, and the best is yet to come as we work with County Executive Angela Alsor-Brooks, Chair Jolene Ivey, and the council to continue to make things done. And thank you, Doctor, for all of your work you're doing in Prince George's County. We need you. Your team's doing a great job. And let's continue to make this a healthy Prince George's County. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I am Crystal Ford, the Resident Services Manager with the Housing Authority of Prince George's County. And I just want to thank County Exec Angela Alsor-Brooks, as well as her team, the staff, and all the partners for coming out here and sharing this information with us and our residents. Thank you.
Before we wrap up here, we have an announcement from our Office of Stakeholder Engagement and Affairs, who put all this together, by the way, making sure that this happened, the grocery delivery for the 64 residents here and the partnership with Giant. This is Sonia Wellborn, Director of the Office of Stakeholder Engagement and Affairs. Oh, I'm gonna have to adjust the mic.
Thank you. Good morning again, everyone. Again, my name is Sonia Wellborn, the Director of Stakeholder Engagement Affairs. I'm here with Daphne Bimbo. We would be remiss again if we did not say thank you. This is definitely a partnership, not only with Giant, Washington Gas, Epsilon Phi, Boulay Foundation. As we know, we need a village to do what we do. The county executive is very intentional about making sure that all of the right messaging as it relates to health, food insecurity is at the forefront of what we need. Giant Food, along with the county executive, has $150 gift cards. This is going beyond today. We want everyone to be able to go in the store, be able to shop, meet with the dietitians that are in the store to help them figure out what they need to do to complete their pantry. This is not just for today. This is the beginning of a great partnership. So again, I say thank you.
Thank you, everybody. And if we have